Hi, everybody. I'm Mosima Masethe. I'm going to share with you my career journey. I am from South Africa and I'm working at the University of Sefako Mahato Health Sciences University. And I'm also a PhD candidate at the Durban University of Technology. It is exciting to take you through my journey. The first question that I ask is, who am I? Isn't it so true that I'm a human being? I'm a daughter to my mom. I'm a sister to my siblings. And I'm a woman walking in the world. I'm a mother to somebody. And also, I am a teacher to my student, to every child that I'm educating and interacting with. I am a mentor. I'm a data scientist for academic project, and I'm an academic presenter or a lecturer. I do research, so I'm a researcher. And I like singing. When I'm happy, when I'm sad, I express my feelings singing. That is an unending list. So it is very important to understand that in life, we serve different roles being one person. I'm just one lady, but for me to qualify or to begin with, I have to be a human being so that people are able to recognize me and accept me in the humankind. When my mom look at me, she see her daughter. Doesn't matter how old I'm getting. It doesn't matter how mature. It doesn't matter my position at work. I am her daughter. When my father look at me, she said, I'm happy to see my daughter. So I cannot change that. That is very important that in life, we should realize that we are human beings and we play different roles at different times. That does not change who you are. You need to be yourself in every role that you play around. So when it's time for you to become a daughter to your parents, really become a good daughter. When it's time for you to be a sister, create a shoulder where your little ones would lay their head and comfort themselves. And as a woman, you need to stand and uplift other young women. Stand and uplift the woman next to you. As a teacher, what do? You need to educate. Educate to your level best. Serve your children as a mother honestly. And if you're assigned mentees, make sure you relate with them, you create a strong relationship, mentor them accordingly. You know, as a data scientist, you need to explore different projects, be able to understand and be up to date with the skills that is needed. Don't be lazy. Be interested to explore more skills in data science. That is the only way. It's a very crucial and challenging period, especially if you grow, you find new technology. Today we are having model after model each week, every day we meet new things. It's like information overloading, but what do? You create your brackets, you create and say, I want to achieve this, I want to learn this. I am a researcher. A researcher is somebody who collaborates locally, internationally. You create your own network. You work with the people. I can say this one person plays different roles at different times. When it's time to sing, I explore who I am. I explore the inner person in me that I can sing to the last part of my voice. I can sing loud. And I do have an African voice, by the way. So it's very, very interesting when I express myself in that particular time. So we can take the list and it can find that it's a very list that cannot be ending now. As you grow, you meet, you appointed in different positions, you get new roles time after time. But don't forget who you are. You are just one person to begin with. You are a human being. So behave as a human being. Remember, you need human around you to feel alive. So here is some of my colleagues. We're celebrating a Women's Day. And here also, it's me when I was speaking, giving address to some of the occasions, encouraging young ladies. Now, part of my career journey is like this. Recently, I'm a lecturer at Sefako Health Science University called SMU, as I just shared with you. And my role there is to educate undergraduates and postgraduates. So I do also serve as a member of the Women in Leadership Forum, VOLF, which promotes women empowerment in academic environments, which also includes science and technology sphere. So a growing researcher in the field of machine learning is who I am. I told myself that when I was doing undergraduate during my time, there was no language talk about machine learning, data science, natural language processing. It came when I was in completion of my master's. Then I said, I'm going to pursue, I'm going to take this and explore new skills and make sure that I achieve. You know, with such roles that I just shared with you, one can imagine how critical it may be that one should be able to play different roles at the same time. That is the good part about us women. We are smart people. We are here to play different roles. They call us multitasker because a woman can cry and smile at the same time. You need to stand firm and make sure that you go and achieve your goal. So to make sure that our indigenous language are not left out, I said, I'm going to play a role. I'm going to take this as part of my PhD study and explore more on how African indigenous language can be explored and be able to be included in the coming era of artificial intelligence. Now, one other thing that I can share with you is that I serve as a chair in various research sessions internationally, in the international conferences, and also I managed to review some of the publications in accredited journals, conference proceedings, and also book chapters, just to mention the few. And I also play a role as a mentor in datathons and hackathons to build my students in achieving the AI skills, in achieving the machine learning, in achieving the latest technology, the cutting edge, so that they are employable, so that they are compatible, and they are able to raise the flag as young generations. And I just want to share with you my motto. My life motto is that never wait for your turn in life. Create it. Never wait for somebody to tell you that is the right turn for you. No, create it. You must be the person with the key. You must be the one knowing that this is the time. I am taking it and I'm going to make it perfect. See? Again, never sit comfortably. No, sit at the edge of your chair because life is too short. You need to achieve so many things within a short period of time. You need to make sure that you set your goals broadly. Do not narrow your scope. Explore as much as you can. You know, as a young lady, explore as much as you can. That when life comes, when you grow, you can shape it all. When all opportunities comes, you'll fit in. Never wait to be welcomed to the table. No, create your own table. And the people of your character, they'll just connect and be hooked. Be a leader. All this that I'm sharing to you, they are the ego of a leader. A leader does not sit comfortably on a next door table. No, they explore, they create their own, they network, and they build their own web. Now, lastly, I want to share with you, ladies, about my dream. You know, by the time I retire, I will be so proud to see me empowering every young woman that I came across in the educational sphere, in the community sphere. You know, I need to make sure that I empower every young woman or lady to stand on their ground and shine. This is a tool that is gold. They should be able to stand on the ground and shine. And I also want to build a strong chain that will sustain itself, legacy, and produce powerful women leaders. I see how I connect with the spirit of Maya Angelou. I never see her in my life. And reading her story, listening to her poem, reading her poems, listening to her stories, exactly told me what character of a woman she was. And I connected with her, you know, automatically. Then I took her as one of my goals, as one of my women leaders, my mentors. I embrace what she left. I embrace everything that, you know, she went through, but she didn't give up. She made sure that she leaves a legacy in this world. So this is what I wanted to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. And my motivation, sorry, not gentlemen, my dear ladies. Then lastly, my motivation with you is, as a person, as a lady, it's very important that you should learn new skills continuously. Never stop. No, there's not too much skills. No, continue to learn. Learn with your own pace and have target and goals. Collaborate and make sure you maintain your network, because it won't assist you to collaborate and cut the network as time goes on. Maintain it, make it build stronger. Don't wait for the second chance in life. If you're given an opportunity, go for it and do your best. Don't ever be discouraged by your mistakes. Try and break it, then learn to build it on your own. I think with these few words, I'd just like to encourage you to keep on and make sure that you end up achieving your goal at the end of the day. Thank you very much. I'm going to stop it from here. Thank you.